Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. I'm Jess, and today by the end of this video, you're going to have a short, effective way to warm up your core. This video is good for all levels, from beginner to advanced practitioner. It's wonderful to use before an arm balance, before vinyasa practice, or to throw into any type of workout. So if you're interested in a quick way to warm up your core, just keep watching. We're going to get started on our hands and knees. So coming in for a couple rounds of cat and cow. Knees are about hip width apart and the hips are stacked right above the knees. Hands are about shoulder width apart, shoulders stacked right above your wrists. As you inhale, let's gently drop the belly down toward the earth. Gaze shifts up toward the sky. Engage the upper back by squeezing shoulder blades together. Suction belly button to the spine and then magnetize the back of your head toward your tail. Take an inhale. Exhale, spine rounds, press the earth away, dome up through the back of your heart, hollow the belly. Inhale, belly drops down, lift the gaze, pull your heart forward, back of the head toward tail. Exhale, spine rounds, magnetize forehead toward your pelvic floor. Inhale, belly drops, open the heart. Exhale, spine rounds, cat. Now hold your cat pose here. We're going to do 3 rounds of breathing, and we're not going to lose this deep engagement in the low belly and in the ribs. With each exhale, I want you to imagine sucking the ribs in a little bit more. So take an inhale through your nose for the count of 3, and then make a little O with the mouth, and as you exhale, hollow the belly more. Through the mouth, exhale for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, hold here through the nose. Exhale, hollow the belly, breathe out through the mouth. Feel the heat build. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, hollow the belly, pull in the low ribs. And then inhale, drop the belly, open the heart. You should feel just a little bit of warmth starting to build in the core there. Come on back to your neutral spine. Shoulders still stacked over wrists, hips still stacked right over knees. Pull the belly in so there's no big arch in the back, nice engaged core. And then as you inhale, let's reach your left heel back, right arm forward, thumb facing the sky. Check in to make sure you didn't sink down into that left shoulder. Spiral the bicep forward, lift out of left shoulder. Think about hugging your inner thighs together. Reach forward, reach back, take an inhale. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, elbow to knee, fully exhale. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, elbow to knee, hug it in. Inhale, lengthen and hold for 3. Press back, reach forward for 2. Pull the belly in 1. And release everything down. Whew, take a big inhale. And exhale it out. Inhale, pull the belly back in. Ground through the shoulders, set up your foundation. And then reach your right heel back. Flex the foot or spread the toes. Squeeze inner thighs together and inhale. Left arm reaches forward, thumb facing the sky. Spiral right bicep forward, lift out of the right shoulder. Take an inhale, get long. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach, flex. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, reach, lengthen and hold. Press the ground away, 3. Pull the belly in, 2. And 1. Place everything down. Sink the sitting bones back toward the heels. Take a short child's pose. Forehead rests on the ground. Inhale. Draw the body all the way up, and as you exhale, tuck the toes, press the hips up and back into your downward facing dog. On your next inhale, let's float your right leg straight up to the sky, and as you exhale, knee to nose around the spine. Inhale, right leg reaches up. Exhale, knee to nose around the spine, dome the upper back. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, reach right leg up. And then as you exhale, right foot meets left, downward facing dog. Inhale, floating left leg straight up to the sky, and as you exhale, knee to nose around the spine. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. On your next inhale, let's round forward, glide forward, nice strong plank. And as you exhale, lower all the way down to your belly. We've worked the front core. Let's turn on the back core just a little bit. Walk the fingertips in line with the shoulder heads. Press down through the tops of the feet. Hollow out the belly, so pull the belly button off the mat. Tops of the shoulder heads roll back, squeeze the elbows in. Inhale, lift to your cobra pose. Squeeze the elbows in, pull belly in and up, heart pulls forward, inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale, press through tops of the feet, scoop the heart forward and up. Hold here, suction belly button to spine. Exhale, release. For the next set, cobra, or if you're ready, upward facing dog. Lift the hips, lift the thighs, lift and open the chest, gazes up. Exhale, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Drop the knees, child's pose. So there you have it. A quick but effective way to warm up your core. It even got a little bit of the shoulders in there. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at jrockyoga and check out my website at jrockyoga.com. Go forth with your warm core and do some arm balances. I'll see you next week.